So today I'm going somewhere very special with Emma, who I have not seen in forever. Probably going to put a little link to one of the old vlogs that she was in right here. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's super early. Let's get this day started. Just about to do a trail here, Springbrook National Park with Emma. Say hi, Emma.
Hi.
Hi. We're here and it's freezing, but it looks beautiful. And just catching up on all the time that has passed, right? Oh my goodness. So many stories to share. And it's like, we're like huddling.
Stay warm.
Stay warm, stay warm. Oh my god. We're gonna go see some glowworms and a waterfall and
natural bridge.
Stay tuned. It's gonna we'll just do that now. Let's see if the visitor center has anything for us. Ah! Multiple sightings of koalas. Did you find anything, Emma? Did you find it?
Got these maps. So I just need to figure out where we are.
You are here.
That's what we need. We need a you are here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, so we've just come up this road.
Yeah.
So we're here. Oh, so if we went like this.
We went
Then we're back here again. Okay, so if we go up here, that's the Springbrook Falls. That's the one that I thought would be pretty cool.
Should we go check it out?
So what's this? 11, 12. What's 11 and 12? Riverstone Cottage. And there's a cafe there.
Ooh, then it has sold me. We'll take the map this time. Round 2, ding ding. It's all about taking risks, right?
Yeah, life is all about risk and going in circles and coming back and then
trying
now
again.
heading in the right direction.
Yeah. So true. I don't think we're alone in this either.
No, these maps are here.
Yeah.
It's clearly
With
other
this
people
sign.
have had the same struggles that we have.
It's good.
And at least it's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day and it's great scenery and great company.
Yes. Catch-ups.
Yeah. So, oh my gosh, we have literally just walked down here and then seen this most amazing, spectacular sight. Like, I was just not expecting it. Wow.
That's just crazy. We're just like chatting and walking.
Oh my
like,
god,
oh.
what? And then there's a waterfall as well. It's just like, what's the...
That is epic.
I'm just like, I feel so... I don't even know how to explain this feeling. It's just like, wow.
That is
This is life, like seriously. Wow, we've been walking for a whole 2 seconds and that's what we see. Yeah. Record the rainbow. And boom! Here we are. Seriously waterfall. I can just feel the waterfall like this. It's so nice. Wow. It's a beautiful day. So good. Thanks so much for doing that. So good.
So great.
This is Emma's idea. It's all her idea. She's bright. So good. It's so good. What the heck? Wow. Magic! It's so magical. Guys, magic. Emma, my biggest fear is bridges and falling. And it's like, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Time to turn around.
Look, I got her back. She's amazing. And she's never leaving ever again.
Ever again?
Ever.
Okay.